Welcome to Chart Talk Training Module Billing 3.4 using the Check Input tool. The Check Input tool is used to enter EOBs received by check or insurance credit card. The Check Input tool allows you to enter payments and adjustments line by line for every service on your remits. The Check Input tool will not allow you to process the entered payments and adjustments until the total of the payments matches the check total entered in the check detail portion of the tool. The Check Input tool is launched from a button on the Auto Post screen. To get to the Auto Post screen, click Auto Post from the main navigation menu. When the screen comes up, click the blue button labeled Check Input. There is no additional configuration that you must do to use the Check Input tool. Payments entered with the Check Input tool are immediately reflected on all screens, sums, and reports within Chart Talk. Let's enter a couple payments and see how this is done. First, we will select the patient name. You can quickly filter through the patients by typing the first few letters of the last name, adding a comma, and typing the first name until the list is sufficiently filtered. Make sure to click the name once it appears on the list. Second, we will select the charge from the drop-down list that corresponds with this payment. You can see both the charge and the date of service here. This lists all charges with a greater than $0 balance that are not set to patient responsibility. Next, enter the payment and the adjustment amount. If you click Finished, then the remaining balance of the charge will be set to patient responsibility. If you do not check Finished, the remaining balance will stay as payer responsibility and won't appear on the patient statement. When this looks good, click Add. The patient name will remain on the patient you just entered to speed up the process in the case that multiple payments for the same patient are on the same check. To select a new patient, just clear the patient field and filter again. Continue adding payments until the total payment here matches the amount field up here. The financial report, Insurance Check Detail Report, will detail all payments from a specific check number so you can double check your work after you have processed your data entry. In summary, the Check Input tool is a way to enter payments and adjustments from a paper remit that you received by check or insurance credit card. The Check Input tool is launched from the same screen that you received downloaded remits from your clearinghouse. The tool is launched by clicking the Check Input button on the Auto Post screen. When entering a line from the EOB, checking the Finished box will set the remaining balance of that charge to patient responsibility. This is the end of Chart Talk Training Module Billing 3.4 using the Check Input tool.